This is Nivea for men. If you want your skin to look that grizzly, your skin to look that poppy, your skin to look that glowy, go get this for me. Yes, this is for normal skin. I work with a lot of Nivea. If you've been following my video for some time now, yes, I do work with it because it's so mild. And for your concern, it's not a dangerous cream. Neither will it damage your skin. Okay, but it will bring out your natural glow. Okay, hi guys, this is Flawlessly. If you are seeing my face for the first time, welcome back. Yes, if you're interested in products, in product review, in DIY, yes, go check my video. We have amazing video on this. Things you can do by yourself at home. Okay, and to my returning subscriber, I say hi. You guys are the real deal. Thank you so much for supporting me, for coming back, for the like, for the comment, for the share. I do not make like of it. I say thank you, thank you, thank you. I love you guys. Yes, this is Nivea. This Nivea is good for all skin type. Yes, for a man. You can use it on your face, your feet, and your hand, all over, okay? Yes, it's a non-glycerin cream. It will bring out your natural glow, okay? It's accessible. Yes, this is accessible anywhere in the world. You can get it. And it's not that expensive, okay? But I can tell you, I've given it out. If you've been checking out my video, yes, I've given it out to so many people. And I can tell you the review is so beautiful. Yes, in today's video, we're going to talk about how we can activate it a little bit for the men, for the women, okay? Yes, go get me olive oil. This is my olive oil. You can see that this is my olive oil. I work with olive oil a lot, a lot, a lot. But if you don't have it, you can get your carrot oil or bow oil. Yes, bow oil is good because it help heal the skin, and also it heals scars. Okay, so you can get bow oil. In which of the oil you lay your hand, whether that's wine or carrot oil or bow oil or argan oil, add 2 tablespoons to this. Okay, yes, 2 tablespoons to this. Then get me anti-reaction tube. Yes, anti-reaction tube. Like Farmaden, I will drop it either here or here. Okay, Farmaden tube or Miracle Derma tube. Add 1 to this. Okay, this is a 400 ml cream. Okay, add 1 to it. Okay, then get me if you're this type that is prone to that dry skin, that has this dry skin, okay, get shea butter, organic shea butter. Please add 1 tablespoon to this. Then get this. Hey, vitamin E. This is my vitamin E. I don't know if you can see it. This is my vitamin E. Okay, you're gonna pop this 2 inside the cream, okay, and mix thoroughly. That's all. Mix it, and use. This cream is safe, okay, so safe on our skin, and your skin will glow, okay, it will surely glow. Yes, if you have not seen my video on how to brighten up your skin tone, please go check it out. And also, I'll be doing another video on Nivea for my caramel skin. Yes, my caramel queen. So check it out. Make sure you turn on your notification bell, subscribe, like, share. Check it out, okay, to see when I drop such a video. And I know today's video is quite helpful. Yes, I know. I think I deserve a thumb up. I deserve that, okay? Thank you, guys. I will see you next in the next one. Bye.